This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
Week 6, Lesson 1, Reading Engineering Drawings, Part 1. Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing, GD&T, is the language of a mechanical drawing. The symbol families, the feature control frame, datums, and material condition, plus the surface texture marks. This lesson is the fundamentals, the vocabulary you decode on exam day. Part 2 puts it to work with virtual condition, gauging, and fits. Concept 1. What GD&T is for. It communicates design intent from the ASME Y14.5 standard. Form, fit, function, and interchangeability. Instead of a loose plus or minus, it controls the actual geometry and location of a feature. So parts from one drawing always mate. Concept 2. The symbol families. Every geometric tolerance is one of 5 control types: form, profile, orientation, location, and runout. Add the modifiers, circled M, L, and S, and the diameter zone, and watch the split. The US exam reads the ANSI column, where symmetry is absent, but least material, regardless of size, and all-around profile appear. Concept 3. The feature control frame. Read it left to right, the geometric characteristic symbol, then the tolerance value with its diameter and modifier, then any applicable datum references in order. Here, a position tolerance, a 5,000th diameter zone at maximum material, located to datums A, B, and C. Concept 4. Datums and material condition. A datum is a plane, axis, or point the tolerance is measured from, and the reference frame runs primary, secondary, tertiary. Order matters. Regardless of feature size is the default. The maximum material modifier applies where the part has the most material, the largest shaft or the smallest hole. Least material is the opposite. Concept 5. Surface texture symbols. The basic checkmark means any process is allowed. Add a horizontal bar and machining is required. Put a number at the left and that's the stock allowance to remove. Draw a circle in the V and material removal is prohibited. The surface stays as cast or forged. Recognition only. The handbook prints these marks, but does not define roughness numbers. Traps. 5 ways reading the drawing bites before you compute anything. 1. Read the ANSI column, not ISO. Symmetry is ISO only, while least material, regardless of size and all-around profile, are ANSI only. 2. Basic dimensions are exact and untoleranced. They define true position, and the tolerance lives in the frame. 3. Datum precedence ABC is part of the spec and not interchangeable. 4. Regardless of feature size is the silent default. Don't assume maximum material. 5. Surface marks are not roughness values. Circle forbids removal. Bar requires machining. A bare number is the stock allowance. Quick recall. GD&T is design intent. 5 control types: form, profile, orientation, location, runout. Read the frame left to right. Symbol, tolerance, modifier, datums. Datum precedence ABC is part of the spec. Regardless of feature size is the default. Maximum material is the most material. Largest shaft, smallest hole. Surface marks, bar requires machining, circle prohibits it, a number is the allowance. Next up, Topic 2, GD&T 2, Virtual Condition, Gauging and Fits. You can read a drawing. Now we turn the vocabulary into worked answers. Part 2 sizes a functional gauge pin, classifies a hole and plug fit, works true position error, and derives the maximum material bonus tolerance. Everything's at peprepengine.com. Cheat sheet, worked solution, and a quiz attached here. If the course helps, subscribe.
The full study guide with every equation and common exam trap is free at peprepengine.com. Link in the description. Machine design, HVAC, structural, civil, and electrical series are coming soon. Subscribe so you don't miss them.